Welcome to part 5 of profit and loss. In this particular type of example, we are going to discuss about the AB formula. Now, if you remember in the previous chapter, that is in percentage, I explained about the AB formula. AB formula you will apply when the two events are happening together, one after other, consequently. And then on one event there is a profit and second event there is a loss, or one event there is a profit and second event there is a profit, or one event there is a loss and second event there is a profit, or in one event there is a loss, in second event there is a loss. So you have to find out the net percentage change. Now there are certain questions where the net percentage change is going to come, and how we are going to solve these questions by using the AB formula. Let's say Goldie increases the price of her product by 10%. So 10% is the profit and gives 20% less weight. Now two events happens. First, profit is increased by 20% and giving less weight. Giving less weight means why the person is giving less weight? To make more profit. So here don't get confused with the less weight. Here less weight is also a profit. So 10% and then 20% less weight means 20% more profit. So we have to use the AB formula. So net percentage change is A plus B plus A into B divided by 100%. So C is going to make a 10% profit, so 10%. C is giving 20% less weight, so 20% is the profit that C is going to earn by giving the less weight. So plus 20% into 10 into 20 divided by 100 and percentage. So 30% plus 200 divided by 100. So 30% plus 2% it is 32%. Ruby Red claims to sell all items on cost price, but she uses 960 grams instead of 1 kg. So 1000 gram is the CP and SP is 960 gram. So it is a case of a number. In case of a number, SP is always less than CP when you are going to make a profit. So profit is 40 grams. So profit will be 40 grams, and it is a case of a number. So it has to be divided by the selling price, that is 960 gram multiplied by 100 grams. So that is 4 into 1/6%. Emerald Green deceived the consumer by 15% less weight while purchasing, 15% while purchasing. While selling she deceived by 20%. So 15% and 20%. But you know the language is used that it is a minus figure. But if you remember, if you understand in a much deeper manner, you will understand why the shopkeeper is deceiving the customer. The shopkeeper is deceiving the customer to earn more profit. So actually these two figures are plus figure because the shopkeeper is going to make more profit. So Emerald Green is going to make a more profit by these two consecutive benefits. So we have to use the AB formula. So net percentage change is A plus B plus A into B into 100 divided by 100 multiplied by the percentage. So 15% plus 20% plus 15 into 20 divided by 100 into percentage. So that is going to be 35% plus 300 into 100. So that comes to 38%, that the Ruby Emerald Green is going to make a profit of 38%. Chandrama sells rice at 10% profit but gives 20% less. Now you see profit 10, less weight 20%. Why she is giving less weight? To make more profit. So this is also a plus value. Are you clear? So this is also a plus value. So here we have to use the AB formula, 10% less. But here 20% less to the customers, less weight to the customer. So we have to convert the weight into a percentage. So 100,000 is a gram and she is selling 100 gram. So 200 grams is her profit and if you convert, because it is a case of a number, so it is divided by 800, multiply by 100%, so it is 25%. So first transaction she is making 10% and in second transaction she is making 25%. So we have to use AB formula. So 10% plus 25%, that comes to 37.5% is the profit of the Chandrama. Pinky earns 25% on SP, then how much percent she earns on CP? So let's say CP is 100, then profit is 25%, so 25, so SP will be 125. And here the rupee value is not given, so it is a case of a number. So 25 over SP is 125, so divided by 125, so she is going to make a profit of 20%. Pinky is making a profit of 20%. Mahima Chaudhary purchased a watch on 20% discount, 20% discount, then she saved rupees 25. Then how much she paid for the watch? So 20% is the discount, and then she saved rupees 25 in real value. So 20% discount means 100 rupees item is available at 80 rupees. So 80% is how much? So 80% is rupees 100. Purnima purchased a radio with 20% discount. She sold that radio to Deepika with 15% profit at the rate of 690. Then find out the CP of the radio. So 20% discount is the Purnima purchased, and then she sold to Deepika with 15%, and the real value that she sold it to Deepika is rupees 90. So you have to do a backward calculation. So backward calculation means the whole value. First you have to find out the whole value, then you have to flip the whole value figure. So 15% is equal to 3 divided by 20, so 23 divided by 20. So CP is 20 over 23. And 20% discount. Discount means 1 over 5, and it is a discount, so it is 4 over 5. And we are going to find out the CP, which is backward calculation, so it is 5 over 4. Now 690 into 20 into 23 multiplied by 5 over 4, so MRP will be 750. How much price Queen should print on an item so that she earns 5% profit after giving a discount of 6.25%? So Queen is giving a discount of 6.25, means 6 into 1/4, and profit is 5%. So 6 into 1 over 4, 6 into 4 is 24, plus 1 is 25, so 25 over 1 multiply by 1 into 100, so it is 25 over 400, so 1 over 16. Now this is a discount, so it is a minus, so 16 minus 1 is 15 over 16, and 5% profit means if the item is 100 and it is taking a profit of 5%, then it is 105. So 15 over 16 multiply by 105%, that is 112%. Then Queen has to print 112% of the price. So if the price is 1000, then she has to print 1120. Therefore her profit will be 112 or 11.2%. Villa gives 50% discount on printed price and earn 20% profit. Then find out the ratio of CP of the item and printed price of the item. So the MRP or the printed price or the first CP is X, and she is giving 15% discounts. So 85% of the X is 100%, and discount she is giving 15%. So now what is left? SP is going to be 85% of X. Now 85% of X, it means 80 over 100 X, so that is 17X over 100, that is the SP. And she is making a profit of 20%, so you have to find out the whole value of the 20%. So it is 1 over 5, it is a profit, so 5 plus 1, 6 over 5. And then you have to find out the CP, means you have to flip this figure, so it is 5 over 6. Now CP that we already calculated is 17x into 20 into 5 over 6, that is 17x into 24. MRP is already x and the new CP is 17x over 24. So ratio is going to be 24 is to 17. Sneha earns 15% of her capital, but she made a loss of 10% on her other capital. If the ratio of the capital is 3:5, then how much percentage she earned on her profit? So capital is 1 and capital 2. It is 3:5. So total will be 8 capital. So profit she earned 15% on her first capital and 10% on her second capital. So 3 into 15. So 3 into 15% and 5 into 10%. And what is the total? 3 plus 5, that is 8. Multiply by the percentage. So if you calculate 3 into 15% is 0.45. 5 into 10% is 0.50 divided by 8 into 100%. So 0.45 minus 0.50 is minus 5 divided by 8 into 100%, that comes to 0.625% loss. Pooja earns 10% profit by selling an item at rupees 550. If she sells at rupees 8, then how much percentage profit she earns? So CP is 5 and SP is 3. So she made a profit of 3. Percentage of profit is 3 and this is a rupee value, so you have to divide by CP, that is 5, multiply by 100, so 60% Pooja is earning. So here we are completing the chapter number 5. We will see you again in chapter number 6.